Welcome to Wholistic Essentials Wellness Business Directory. This is a short video on how to create your ProBiz profile. This is the main page of our business directory. What you need to look for to create your online presence is the Holistic Providers List Your Services button in the top right corner. This will take you to our pricing page. You can choose from the basic free listing, a VIP listing, and what we will be showing you today is your ProBiz professional listing. As you can see, our ProBiz membership listing gives you the most features. It is the most inclusive and gives you the best value of all the membership levels. So let's get started. This will take you to the Create Your Profile page where you can simply enter your basic information such as your email and create a password. Then select a payment option of annual or monthly and then hit Continue. From here you can enter your credit card information, first name, last name, your address, postal code, etc. Then enter your card number with your expiration date and security code, and be sure to check the I am not a robot button, and then select Create My Profile. Once you have registered, you will be taken to your dashboard. This is your back office where you'll be able to add all of the information, upload pictures, articles, create coupons, do all the things that you want to do that will show up on your professional listing. Today we're going to look at the Manage Your Profile section where you're going to be entering this information, contact details, profile photo, listing details, and about. While you don't need to put everything in today, the more information and the sooner you do it, the better, so that the Google bots can start finding your profile online. You'll also find here the account details section, and once you have this all started and have started to put in some of your information, once your profile is complete, you will still be able to come back here and find all of this information in this sidebar for your dashboard, your manager profile, your profile statistics, a place to manage any leads that are submitted, and a place to manage your reviews. I also want you to notice this free QR code image. This is a really interesting thing that you can use to put on your website, to put on your business cards, any marketing materials that people can scan, and it will bring them back to your profile page directly. It's a very interesting marketing addition, and it comes with your profile for free. So we're going to start with our very first listing section, which is the contact details. So the first thing you're going to want to do is to choose the type of listing you want. Do you want this to be listed under a company organization or as a personal individual heading? And you can check back and forth to your public listing to see which one looks better, which one you want to go with. The next thing you need to choose is your top category. Now, we have about a dozen different top listings that you can choose from, and you don't have to stay with that listing, but choose the one that matches you the best. Afterwards, you will have the opportunity to choose subdomains to really flesh out your whole listing. The next thing, well, we're going to choose the wellness practitioner for this listing. Now, next you want to go over and make sure that all the other information is correct for you. It should have filled this out in your original registration, but verify that everything is correct and reads the way you would like it to read. Scrolling down on the same page, you will find that on the left bar where we were seeing our dashboard and start menu, you will see some additional items that you would click on to, say, add articles, create coupons, add events, put in a photo album, add products, properties, etc. And at the bottom of that section is your account button so that you can check all of your personal account information. You can find this later, and we will cover this in a different video if need be. So back to the center of the information bar, where are you located? I'm going to suggest that you put your address into this search bar right underneath those words so that it will automatically pinpoint your location for you on the Google map. Now, if you don't want to have the map locate you on your profile page, you can fill out the bottom section here, and you can also put in a little bit more details if you need to. But start with using the top bar if you want to have the automatic locator pin on the Google map. The next thing you're going to fill out is your social media link page. This is really, really important on many, many levels. So I suggest that you put in as much information as possible. Now, if you don't have all of these links, you don't have to have them on here, but the more different ways that you try to stay connected and share information, the better. And you want people to be able to find you easily from your online profile. So be sure to add your website and Facebook at the very least, YouTube if you have it. And I'm going to suggest if you have a Twitter account, you're going to want to have your Twitter address in here, and you're going to want to create one if you haven't already. Because on your ProBiz profile, you are going to have a live Twitter feed. This is going to benefit you in many ways. One, it's going to bring people back again and again to stay up to date with what you've got going on, and it's also going to help keep your page active. Now, activity is what the Google bots are looking for when they are looking for web pages to connect people to. You get more points, you score a little higher if you have an active website. So you're going to find this to be a very, very valuable addition to your page. And at the end of each section, I want to remind you to click on the Save and Continue button, and it will prompt you on to the next page. The next thing we're going to do is to upload your profile photo. You can see that on this page right here. You have a choice of uploading your profile photo or a profile logo or both. If you are registering as an individual, your profile photo will be the one that will show in your profile listing. But if you register as a business, the profile logo will be the one that will show. It's up to you which one you want to be your main identifier. All you need to do is simply click the Upload Photo Logo button. Here you will see a drop-down that allows you to click on Choose Image. This will take you to the place on your computer where your images are stored. Simply choose the image that you want to upload. You can double-click or click it and then click the word Open in the bottom of the dialog box. Once you have successfully uploaded your photo, you'll have the opportunity to change the photo, delete the photo and upload a different one, or you have the opportunity to upload your profile logo. And next, we are on the listing details page. These are the subcategories that I mentioned that are connected directly to the wellness practitioner top category that we chose earlier on in the profile. Now, these are really important because it gives the Google bots a good chance to find you as well, because everything you enter in here and keywords that you add in your profile are all put into an automated system of SEO for your page. So it updates and takes information from your listing to help you create a much more visible profile listing for the search engines. So this information is very, very important. And the fact that you can enter as many of these as you want makes it even easier for people to find you, whether they're looking for you on our site or on the web itself. Next, you'll be invited to share more details. You can upload your CV or a brochure, a PDF file. You can insert a personal quote or motto, which I've done just for example. This other information is all optional, but you are more than welcome to put more information in. The more that Google has to draw from, the better. Next, we're going to be looking at the About section. Here you'll be able to write about you and your company. You are able to type directly into the text box, or you can copy and paste it maybe from another social media profile or your website. Whatever information you want to help distinguish you and to finish off your professional profile. When you are done working on your listing, you can either save and just close, or you can look to the top of the page and you will see a button that says welcome and your name. Then the drop box will appear and you can choose to view the listing, edit the listing, or to log out. Thank you for joining us here today. If you're interested in finding out how this sample profile all turned out and what our ProBiz profile finished all looks like, look for our video called Take a Look Inside a Completed Profile. Concludes our tutorial on how to create your ProBiz listing on our website. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to contact us directly so we can help you and answer any of your questions. We invite you to take a look and join our website today so that you can connect with the people who are looking for your products and services.